Welcome back to ReviewTube. Whether you're blessed with a spacious backyard or making the most of a tiny balcony, in this video, we'll show you the essential tools and supplies that will turn your thumb a delightful shade of green. From getting your hands dirty with a trusty hand trowel to shaping your plants with pruning shears, we've got you covered. We'll even help you protect those precious hands with the perfect pair of gloves and introduce you to the joy of labeling your plants. So get ready to join us on this gardening journey and transform your space into a blooming paradise. Let's dive in and make gardening your new favorite hobby. Gardening gloves are your superhero sidekick in the garden, providing protection and comfort as you tackle green tasks. Look for durable options like tough leather or reinforced synthetic fabrics at Home Depot. They shield your hands from dirt, thorns, and unexpected hazards while ensuring a confident grip on tools and plants. With gardening gloves, you'll feel more in control, maintain precision, and stay safe from allergens and irritants in the soil. Slip on these trusty gloves for a comfortable and confident gardening experience, whether you're digging, planting, or weeding. Another fantastic gardening essential is the mighty hand trowel. This small but powerful tool is about to become your best friend in the garden. With its compact size and sturdy construction, the hand trowel is here to assist you in conquering various gardening tasks with ease and flair. Imagine the joy of effortlessly planting delicate flowers and herbs, loosening compacted soil like a seasoned pro, and engaging in a ninja battle with those pesky weeds. The hand trowel isn't just a workhorse. It's also your creative brush for shaping garden beds and unleashing your horticultural artistry. Get ready to team up with the mighty hand trowel and embark on a gardening adventure like never before. Pruning shears are a must-have tool for beginner gardeners. With sharp blades and a comfortable grip, they allow precise cutting and shaping of plants. Use them to remove dead branches, promote healthy growth, and maintain desired plant shape. Think of them as your secret weapon for removing dead branches, encouraging healthy growth, and maintaining your plant's ideal shape. These shears give you the power to trim with finesse without accidentally harming nearby foliage. So embrace the art of pruning and watch your garden flourish under your loving care. Get your hands on a pair of pruning shears and let the magic unfold. And yet another gardening tool that you might not even think about is the trusty gardening hose. With its adjustable nozzle offering different spray patterns, kink-resistant design ensuring uninterrupted water flow, and the ability to deliver water precisely where your plants need it, this garden hose is your ticket to hassle-free watering. With the right length of hose, you can effortlessly reach every corner, nurturing your plants with ease. As you gently water your green companions, the rhythmic flow of water creates a tranquil moment, connecting you to the beauty of nature and infusing your gardening routine with a sense of calm. It's a gardening essential that will elevate your experience and make you feel like a seasoned gardener in no time. For beginners, plant labels and markers are the unsung heroes that make a big difference. Picture this. You're tending to your garden, eagerly nurturing a variety of plants, but as they grow, it becomes challenging to remember which is which. That's where plant labels and markers come in. These handy tools keep your garden organized and help you remember the names and needs of each plant, ensuring they receive the proper care they deserve. With different materials and styles available, you can find weather-resistant labels that withstand the elements while also adding a personal touch to your garden. So grab some plant labels and markers, embrace the joy of organized gardening, and never forget the identity of your leafy friends again. A basic garden tool set is also a fantastic way to start as a beginner. This comprehensive set includes essential tools such as a sturdy trowel, versatile rake, and reliable pruners, providing you with everything you need to tackle various gardening tasks. The trowel is designed for planting, transplanting, and digging small holes with ease. The rake is ideal for leveling soil, removing debris, and preparing garden beds for planting. The pruners offer precise cutting power, allowing you to trim and shape your plants for optimal growth. With these tools in hand, you'll be equipped to handle everything from planting flowers and herbs to maintaining your garden's overall health. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this garden tool set will enhance your gardening experience, making it more enjoyable and successful. The Seed Starter Kit is also an essential for those new to gardening, providing all the necessary components to successfully germinate seeds and nurture them into thriving plants. This kit is designed to provide everything you need to successfully germinate seeds and nurture them into healthy plants. The Seed Starter Kits come with biodegradable seedling trays that are not only eco-friendly, but also promote healthy root development. To create an optimal microclimate for seed germination, the kits also include a clear humidity dome. This dome helps to maintain high humidity levels, which aids in faster and more successful seed germination, giving your plants a head start before transplanting them outdoors. It also saves you money as starting plants from seeds is more cost-effective than buying pre-grown seedlings. We hope you've been inspired and empowered to unleash your inner gardener. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro, Home Depot is always there to help make your gardening dreams come true.